Hi, I am RRKS, a creativepreneur. Last video was on virtualization. If you have not watched that, then it is mentioned in I button above and also will be shown at the last of this video. Today I will share details about types of virtualization. There are various types of virtualization like desktop virtualization, server virtualization, application virtualization, storage virtualization, network virtualization, data virtualization. So let's begin with desktop virtualization. Desktop virtualization is a technology which creates multiple desktop operating systems in its own virtual machines using a hypervisor on the host server. A hypervisor can be installed directly on the host machine or over the operating systems like Windows, Linux. Virtualized machines do not use the host system resources. They run on a remote central server. This allows users to access the desktop remotely and is more often used for labs and testing applications. We need to know that the operating system license still need to be accounted. Server virtualization is a technology in which virtual servers run as separate machines. It is a process of dividing the resources of a single server into multiple virtual servers with different configurations and different operating systems. It saves the hardware cost involved in physical servers and makes server infrastructure more streamlined. Application virtualization is a technology which runs application software without installing it directly on the user's operating system, but works exactly like a native application installed on a physical machine. Application can be controlled and modified without logging into the user's desktop by the administrator. This can allow a Windows application to run on Linux and vice versa, and helps to save users time and invested in application installations and operations. Network virtualization is a technology which uses software to manage and monitor the entire computer network from a single software administrator's console. Various elements of network infrastructure, such as routers and switches, can be tracked by administrators from a single console. Network virtualization include software-defined networking, which virtualizes hardware that controls network traffic, routing, and network function virtualization, which virtualizes one or more hardware appliances that provide a specific network function like firewall or load balancer. It helps administrators to allocate and distribute resources easily and ensure high stable network performance. Storage virtualization is a technology which enables multiple storage devices on the network to be accessed and managed as a single storage device, whether they are installed on individual servers or standalone storage. It helps administrators to allocate and set up resources efficiently, also make easier for archiving, easy backup, and recovery tasks. Data virtualization is a technology in which data are stored from multiple applications using multiple file formats in multiple locations. It creates a software layer between the applications accessing the data and the systems storing it. It can help in break down data silos when other types of integration are not feasible or affordable. Hope this video helped you to understand virtualization in a simpler way. Stay tuned by subscribing my channel for more videos. For any inquiry, you may comment or mail me. Also can visit my website therrks.com. Thanks.